Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password for your Linktree account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the password. At the bottom left, you can see your username right here, just below. Try Pro for free. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, these things will open up. Well, as you can see, lots of options, but right now all you want to do is click on My Account. Once you click on this button right here, you will be redirected to this page. Simply scroll down, and from here, you're gonna be provided with a button like this that says Account Actions, and just below it, there is a button like this that says Reset Password. Click on it. Now as you can see, a password reset email will be sent to the registered email address. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now. Well, as you guys can see, I have received an email like this. I'm just gonna click on Reset It Now. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter your new password right here and click on Change Password. That way, your password will be reset. That is, you will have changed your password for your Linktree account. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.